Hi friends, today we're going to be reading a book, and this book is called Who Takes Care of You? I've got my little dog here, Ruby. There she is. She's a sweetheart. She's going to listen to the story too. Okay, there's our first page. It says, "My daddy takes care of me. He gets me out of bed. He flips pancakes on the stove, then gives me a kiss on the head." Here's our next page. "My grandma takes care of me. She gets me ready for the day. She packs snacks and extra socks, and off we go to play." Let's do play as well. Oh, that's a cute one. Okay, it says, "My brother," so we're gonna sign boy and same, okay? So we're gonna sign boy, and then we're gonna come down to same. Brother, okay? So, here's our picture. Trying not to get the reflection. There, they're playing together. Okay, "My brother takes care of me. He swings me really high. I laugh and ask for more. Together we touch the sky. Whee! My friend takes care of me. My friend takes care of me. She makes my favorite lunch and sings my favorite songs, when my apples go crunch." Okay, we're gonna, oh, here it is, sorry. Aunt, let's sign aunt, the letter A. "My aunt takes care of me. She picks me up in the afternoon. We walk hand in hand and we dance to our own tune." Oh, yellow Ruby. Oh, looks like they're in the bath. Oh, and maybe she looks like she has a little pet there. Kitty, meow. Okay. "My mommy takes care of me. After dinner, it's time to take a bath. She makes sure I'm squeaky clean, but she also lets me have a splash." Whoa, Ruby, you okay? Oh, that's sweet. "My grandpa takes care of me. He knows which books I like. We always read one more. Then he kisses me good night." Oh, there they are all together. "No matter who takes care of you, you are loved by those who care. Mommy, daddy, aunt, granny, for you they'll always be there." Oh, that's sweet. That's it for that story. Thanks for watching. Make sure that you subscribe and like, and I'll have lots of new content every week. Bye.